Hi, my name is Tihana. I'm a coach, I'm a supervisor, I'm an author. For the past decade, I've been working with people who work with people. And if you want your coaching skills to be really cutting edge, I suggest you take a listen and a look to my 20 GCGs, or Golden Coaching Guidelines. So one of them is launch your drone. What does it mean? A flying drone, the observer, the witness, or whatever you wish to call it. It is something adults use. And when I say adults, I'm not referring to our age. I'm referring to the degree of maturity and awareness that we have or want to have. A lot of people of age X or Y are all around us, but they're not adults. They are parents, children, rescuers, victims, persecutors. It would be really great if all of the drones flew up just enough to hire a fictitious flight controller. For the coach, their drone is the most important means of work, of reflection, of feedback. In the phase of exercise with time delay and later during the coaching session, because the coach's drone sees not only the coach, but also the coachee. The coachee, their relationships, and key things. How the coach sees the coachee and the texture of that relationship. A lot of things the drone gets. They don't engage drones that fly really high with a cutting-edge espionage camera for no reason. So fly your drones and take a look what you can see from another perspective. What input will that give you? Good luck.